So guys, today we'll be talking about how to be profitable in trading meme coins. Why you are losing money? Why are you looking all these YouTubers who are just winning on copy traders? They have absolutely no TA. If you look at their chart, there is nothing. It seems like they know how to enter the trade. They know when to enter. They know they're not scared. Even if they go -30, -20 on the trade, they're not scared. They're just chilling, flashy lights in the background. Everything is good. But basically, they are shitting their pants and just waiting for copy traders to jump in. So to avoid this bullshit, you only need two things. You need to find the strategy that is working for you and implement stop loss. Stop loss is most important. And I'm doing this for the new guys who are losing money with small portfolios, and these YouTubers and other guys are just filling their pockets off of these people who are just jumping on YouTube and searching for this shit. I've seen plenty people in Discords that I'm member of. They're like 15, 20 years old. They are clueless. It's disaster how they are throwing money and just hoping it will fly. So I'm also going to tell you that everybody who is saying to you that TA is not working on the low caps, TA is not working in crypto, you should immediately unfollow, ban, and never watch again, because he's an idiot. To tell somebody that TA, which is basically mathematics, is not working in crypto because it's special. It has such psychological levels. It's so important to the world that it's just not working, man. You don't need TA. You only need to jump in and pray to God. Come on, guys. We need to be serious here. You can make a lot of money, but you need to be smart about it. So let me show you how TA is not working. So what I'm using here, you can find everything in indicators, is Donchian channels, RSI, and stochastics RSI. And while I was recording this video, basically I came upon this coin, and this strategy was working flawlessly, as you will see. I was recording somewhere in this area, but as you can see, it just fucking flew to the moon. And here you have plenty of opportunities to scalp this coin, not just to jump in here or here and pray to God, or here that it will moon. So how this strategy works: price needs to touch the lower band of Donchian channel. RSI needs to be below the 50 line. Stochastics needs to be in oversold area. And basically you are then waiting. It's a game of patience. You don't jump here, you don't jump here. You're just waiting for reversal. And this is the first candle of the reversal. Now, this is crypto. Not every strategy is working 100% of the times. You must be aware of this. If you find strategy that is working 60 to 70% of the time, think of this like Holy Grail. You found it. You don't need to search any longer. The issue is that the rest of the percentage of these losing trades, the 30%, you need to cut them really fast. So you need to put the stop loss to -5, -10%, and you will be okay in the long run. So basically you are waiting for the candle of reversal. As you can see here, this is reversal. And if we put horizontal line here, what I'm looking for next is, will it break the next resistance line, which is 50 on the RSI? And this is how you trade. If it breaks 50, this is another bullish sign. Horizontal line here. So it broke 50. Now the question is, will it break the 70 line, which is another resistance? And in this case, it did not break. But what we can see from here is that if we entered here, we have 20% profit. If we entered here on another breakout, we have again about 20% profit. So would you rather just jump blindly? No, of course not. And what happens next? So the price didn't break the 70 line, so we are looking for reversal. And you can see here we are having a reversal, breaking the 50 line, going below. And again, what do we have here? The TA is not working. Oh my god. So almost touching the Donchian channel lower band. RSI below 50. Stochastics oversold, waiting for reversal. Same shit happens again, boys. As you can see here, breaking again 50. Bullish sign going above the 50. And we are just playing now. Playing and waiting where this will go. If you see that it's going nearing the 50 line again, this is a possible downtrend. So it all comes down to how much profit you are willing to take. Will you take 40% here? Will you take 24 here? Or will you be a moon boy who is happy to wait and take 50 here, or even 72 here? And above, as you can see, what happens next is TA working. We broke the 50 on this place here, where is the horizontal line. And if we had patience, look what happens. We broke here the 70 line, and we continued going up. And the possible downtrend happens, of course, when you break one of the lines on the RSI. This is the resistance lines. You broke here, and we had small retracement, but we broke above 70 again, and we continue to fly. So the next possible entry, if we remove the horizontal lines, we have it here again. What happens here? Touching the lines, but we don't enter. Why? Because we are waiting for stochastics to have this line in the uptrend. You see, here was the uptrend also, but it did not break the 20 line of the resistance. So here, if we entered somewhere here, again, same shit happening. Breaking the 50 on the RSI and going up, baby. Same thing here. I mean, the possibilities are endless. You can scalp this shit 10 times, 5 times per coin. You have these beautiful openings. And we all know, whoever is in meme coin space, that It's very rare to see the guy who will just buy here and wait up to here for the 7x. This is a very, very, very rare thing. So wouldn't it be better to just scalp this shit until it dies, basically? 5 to 10 times for 30-40%. Imagine, in stocks, if you invest in long term, you're Warren fucking Buffett if you have 7 to 10% returns per year. And here you have opportunity with the right strategy and right stop loss that you can take from coin. Of course, not every coin is going to millions of dollars market cap. But let's say if this coin was going, which most of them usually are, you can pray to God that they go to 1 million or maybe 500. But what happens? You have one here, second here, third here, opportunity, third here, fourth here. Oh my God, do I need to continue? So as you can see, DA is working. Be smart, guys. Just use stop loss and use the correct strategy. This is the strategy I'm using. There's also one other strategy which is for the following the trend strategy. This we'll talk in the next video, but basically I would also recommend, you don't have to take my code, my referral. I would recommend to use the Axiom Pro. Why? Because they have, as I said, low fees, and second is the guys, if you talk to the guys who are in crypto, in meme coin space for years, you will see that 90% of the guys were drained at some point in time through Telegram, through just clicking on links and so on. And why I always loved Photon before Axiom, it's because it was not connected to Telegram. Why? Because Telegram is easy to hack. All you need is one mistake. But here, basically, on Axiom, you have your own wallet. They give you a wallet, same as Coinbase gives you a wallet. So this is much safer because here you need to only worry, will these guys, owners of Axiom, will they take your funds? But this you need to worry on every crypto exchange, for example. This is not your money until you take it or cash out. So basically here you have only one concern, but on Bullex, on Bloom, on everything that's connected Telegram, you have 2-3 concerns. If they hack your Telegram, they will drain. They will drain Bullex. They will drain everything that's connected to Telegram. It happened to me. And believe me, you don't have to click on something. They are that good. There are probably some Indians, Chinese, I don't know, I'm just talking shit now, who are doing this in groups like 20, 30 people. And just, this is like phishing, man. It's easier to fish people on Telegram than it's on Google, you know? That it's not, on Google you need to actually be fished by email. Why are you going to look on email while trading meme coin? You will not look it. But on Telegram, you will always click some link, join some Telegram group, blah, 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 this, that, and the possibilities are endless to just fish you and take your money. So be very careful. Of course, I'm not saying Axiom is the safest place. I'm not saying Photon is the safest place, but in my eyes, it's much safer than the other platforms. So Stay safe, guys, and see you next time.